Efendi. My name is Nadia, and today I'm going to talk about something truly special, the power of friendship. Have you ever wondered what makes friends so important? Well, get ready to discover the power of friendship. What is friendship? It's when two or more people care about each other, support each other, and have fun together. It's like having a special bond that makes life happier and brighter. Friends make us happy. When we spend time with friends, we laugh, play, and share good times together. Feel loved, understood, and appreciated, which fills our hearts with joy. Friends help us grow. Just like plants need water and sunlight to grow, we need friends to help us grow, help us learn, and become better people. Friends support us. During tough times, friends are there to offer a shoulder to cry on, a listening ear, and words of encouragement. Knowing that we have friends who care about us, friends make the world a better place. Imagine a world without friends. It would be sad and lonely. So my young friends, always remember the power of friendship. Treasure your friends and be a good friend yourself. Together, let's make the world a better place.